What to do if circumstances change with your business and you gotta go somewhere for a while. Hey guys, Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. And today's day one of documenting my days before deployment. Um, my remaining days here in the US before I leave on my deployment, plans as it relates to what am I going to do with my stuff that I got going on here and so on and so forth. So, real quick, let's just get this out of the way. If you haven't subscribed to my channel just yet, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notification whenever I post a video. Okay, so let's get into it. Guys, I'm wearing this wig, right? Because my natural hair has gotten so crazy. Okay, you guys, all my other videos, well, most of my other videos, well, not most, actually, most of my other videos, I have my hair tied up because I also like to have my head tied. I don't know. It's a thing. But today I'm rocking the wig because I went out on the street, but my hair was so knotted. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't do this. So I just fling a wig on. So guys, if you guys have been watching my previous videos, yesterday I got the news, I got the call that I'll be, leaving on deployment pretty soon. So now I'm just having, putting all my ducks in a row and so on and so forth. But just, I also was talking briefly about, the freedom that an online business provides, because now my business can go wherever I'm going and it will be traveling with me abroad, right? So I just wanted, first of all, you guys, let me know what you want me to talk about these few days few weeks that I have left here. I'll just be documenting my day-to-day progression, my day-to-day activities, or as a matter of fact, recapping my day-to-day activities until I ship. So, real quick, today I went to see Mission Impossible, the new one out. And I actually went this morning, which is that's the first for me. I've never been to a morning movie before, and that movie was at 11:15 this morning a.m. But this morning when I got up, also before I went to the movies, I just started packing. I know I won't be taking a lot of stuff, but I'm packing the necessities. Reason being, I'm sorry, I'm packing, but I'm also making a list as I pack. Reason being, I maybe later on down, like when I'm like a week out to ship or whatever, I'll go over that list and see if I've missed anything. And also, I'll know which bag, each whatever is in, because I also labeled my bags and labeled the list that I'm making, so I know which bag. So say for example I need to take something out. I I know what bag to go to, right? And even this morning while packing, I was like, wow, I've never tried this method with my online marketing, right? Like, they say you're supposed to track stuff and so on and so forth. I don't really track anything in my online marketing business. But while I was packing and I looked over the list, I said that okay, I was looking for I'm sorry, I was looking to see if I had packed a nail clip, right? And lo and behold, the nail clip was in bag number one, right? So I was like, damn, like this is so much more organized and easier, to understand or just deal with. And I'm like, I've never actually implemented that skill in my online business. And I was like, damn. Like this packing is also, I just started packing today, this morning. And this is teaching me something that I could implement in my online business, which is crazy because I'm like say for example you get a click, right? Where did that click or sale came from? Click or sale, where did it come from? Did it come from Facebook? Did it come from YouTube? Did it come from, like, where did it come from? Like was never a concern for me, but that actually brings more organization, and also you know where to place more emphasis in marketing, like what social media platform you need to place more emphasis by just knowing where a particular sale come from or where more sales are coming from, you know what I mean? So it really had me thinking, right? And good thing I, started documenting. I decided to start documenting this morning, right? It's it's amazing. So yeah, guys, I'll just be hopping on here on a day-to-day basis and documenting until I ship. It's an honor to serve in the military. It's it feels good. Just having that opportunity or getting that opportunity to go abroad. Number one, you're seeing other places, you're visiting other places, but not just that. I don't know for like civilians out there, but I bet a fellow brother or sister in arms will be able to tell you that whenever I put that uniform on, it gives me such great honor and pleasure. Like, it's an honor to serve you guys. It's an honor to serve the people of the United States of America. And also when I go over there, I also serve the people of that country, right? I provide some form of safety net or some form of, it's just an honor to put the uniform on, guys. And I'm an online marketer, and I would say that online marketing and my military walk hand in hand as it relates to where my heart is at. I genuinely love representing my country, and it will be there. I already have a lot of stories to tell, right? So when I get back from this deployment, I'm sure there are going to be a lot more stories to tell, and I can't wait to take you guys on that journey with me, and also when we come back, because I'm going to try and document something on a day-to-day basis, right? Let you guys know that don't give up in whatever you're doing. If you're watching this video and, oh, okay, that's better. That thing was reflecting on my face. But yeah, guys, just don't give up. Whatever you're doing, whatever you decide to do in life, do not give up. Do not give up. I refuse to take giving up as an excuse. Do not give up. Keep on going at it. Whatever it is. If you're into online marketing, if you want to become an entrepreneur, do not stop that fight. For as long as you live, keep on fighting. So it's either you die or you get it. As long as they keep on going, it's either you die or you get it, right? So I just wanted to put that out there. And the documentation, today's day one. And I hope you guys enjoyed the message. That's all for today. Thank you guys for hopping on. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed just yet, just go on right now and subscribe. Join me on Facebook. I will also be updating Facebook. My link is below in the description. Join me on Instagram. You can see what I'll be doing on Instagram. And also, guys, hit my affiliate link in the description below and check out what has been giving me my financial freedom for a while now, right? Just check it out. If it's not for you, it's not for you. I totally understand. But try it and see if it is for you. Okay? Send this video. Share this video. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you want me to talk about for the upcoming weeks, up until my deployment. Like, if I'm making any, extra plans or whatever the case is. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a heart. Give me something if you enjoyed this video. And Khamoya Gordon is out. I'll see you tomorrow on my next video.